Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I am going to do question number 19. I've already taken a picture of it, but this is a quadratic, one of those motion where you throw the ball or the rocket or something into the air, and then you got to know when it lands. So I've kind of drawn at the bottom kind of a XY axis. This is X, this is Y. Y represents the height in feet, and then the X is the number of seconds on the X coordinate. So they said they launched the rocket from a tower. The height of the rocket was in feet and related to the time after the launch in seconds, and they gave the equation. They want to know how much time did it take before it hit the ground, and they want us to round it to the nearest hundredths place. So they're asking us to do a couple things, right? So basically, I'm going to do a sketch. It's going to go something like this, and then it's going to hit the ground. This is the y-intercept. It would be 117. I don't know what the vertex is, but it's going to be someplace like that. And this is the 0, and this is what we're looking for. We want to know this right here is the vertex. I don't know what the coordinates are. The 0, I don't know what those coordinates are either. That's what I'm going to graph and find. But let's do that. So let's go to my calculator and let's enter this function. So where's my calculator? Pull it up. Here we go. Press tab. I'm going to put in a -16 x squared plus 127x, and then it's going to be plus 117. All right, now you don't see it. I'm going to change the window so I can see this. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the vertex. I'm going to go menu. This is a max, so I'm going to go menu 63, start on the left, go to the right. All right, so now I know that the vertex, it takes about 4 seconds to reach the max of about 370. So now I'm going to go set my window. Remember 41, I can set the window because I want you to see this. So 0 is going to go, hold on, what happened to, I hope I didn't mess that up. So it's going to go 0 to about 10, and then this one is going to go from 0, so let's say 400. All right, and then I'm going to press OK. Now that's what it looks like. Now I need to find the 0, so I'm just going to do menu 61, and I want the right 0. So boom, it tells me it was 8.77119 seconds. That's how long it took to hit the ground. So that would be our answer. Now we got to round it to the hundredths place. So the second 7 is in the hundredths place. You look to the right, it's 1. So 4 below, you just let this shit go. So all you're going to have is 8.77 seconds. So let's go over to back to the iPad. Let's get rid of this. And we're going to put in 8.77 seconds. And that's correct. All right, so remember, whenever they give you a quadratic, you have 3 things. You have the y-intercept over here, you have the vertex here, and you have the 0 here. And the length of time is the right 0, the vertex, the maximum, it has an x coordinate, which represents the seconds that it took, and the y coordinate, it represents the height in feet. And over here, this is the initial starting place where we threw or launched the rocket from. Okay, so I'm going to stop and post this. I hope my mic didn't mess up.